Good morning, students. So as you can see, this is the chapter 13, time. So here the exercises are given. Some you can see here some watches are made. So that's one, you have to see the watch and write the time. So I have already written here, you can see. So this one very simple things. So earlier in your classes, last class also this time chapter was there. So I hope you know that. So accordingly I have written. Still I will tell you how to write. So you know, in a watch 3 hands are there. So first small one, that is the hour hands. Hour hands means that will move from one number to another number after 1 hour. And then one, you can see this long one. This long one is a minute hand. That is making one round in 1 minute. Full, you can see in this watch it will make from 12 to 1 round in the 12, so it makes 1 minute. So that things you know. And one more and also there, that is second. The second one here it is not given because it is every second it is changing its place, so that's why it is not given. That is second hand. That also it is present in wall clock, any clock. If you will see that 3 hands, you will see that. So okay, here you can see that accordingly we have to write here. After 7 it is small one, so that means 7 hour, and minute we will count by the 5 minute, one number having 5 minutes. So here it is 5, means 5 5s are 25 minute, plus these 2 dots are given. So these 2 dots means 2 plus, so 25 plus 2, 27. Here also the same. After 11 is the small hand, so we will write 11 hours, and minute 10 5s are 50 plus 2, so 52. So 11 hour 52 minutes. So here also 9 hour 13 minutes, because 2 is a 10 plus 3 more, so 13 minute. So 9:13. And the B part, it is what you know, here time they have given to us, we have to make the watch. So hour hand and the minute hand. So 8 hours. So after 8, 36 minutes means approximately in the middle. So okay, in the middle, 8 and 9 middle part will be the this hand, and then long one, minute hand, we will put 36 minutes. 35, 7 is the 35, so 1 dot more here this side, so 36 minutes. So same way here also we can see 6 hour 14 minutes. So 6 a little bit this side, and the 14 minutes means 15 is the 3, so 1 dot above, so it will be 14. So same way here also 12 hour 4 minutes. So 12 hour is the 12 and 4 minute here. Okay, then coming to the next C bit, AM or PM. But AM or PM, there this purpose we need to know little bit things in a mathematical way. What is that, you know, that I have written here, you can see in the, are you able to see in the bit? So here I have written something. Actually this is the question part, and here is the rule. So rule is what you know, day 12 hour 1 minute. 12 hour after 1 minute means actually it is from 1 second after the 12 hour. After 1 second only it consider means PM. So from the day 12 hour 1 minute to 11 hour 59 minute midnight, that much time we consider is PM. And midnight 12 hour 1 minute to day 11:59, that much time we consider AM. Okay, so that thing, this is the time period we considered AM or PM. So this is, you have to keep it in the mind. And midnight 12 hour, exact 12 hour is called the 00 hours, and the day 12 exact 12 hour is called noon. Okay, so here 12 hour clock and 24 hour clock I have just written like this way. 12 hour clock, we know 1 to 12 all the numbers are given, and that part I have written AM. And the 24 hour clock, after the 12 hour only 13 hours start. You know, in the 24 hour clock we can see in the railway station or some other places. So there you will see they are written 13 hour, 14 hour, like that, 20 hour. No, so railway timetable if you will see, so there you will see like that. So 13 hour means 11, 13 means 1, 14 means 2, 15 means 3. When at 24 hour, if suppose it is written 14, 16, 17, so we can write from this side. This is the actual time in the 12 hour clock. So that we will do in the next exercise. So okay, so for you this much is I think you understood what is AM or what is PM. So here I have just written also that C part answer. Here I have written 10:15 in the morning. So morning hours you know AM, till the 12 o'clock it is AM. So AM, and it is evening PM, it is also night PM. It's 3 hour after 11:30, so you have to 3 hour you have to add it here. So after adding we are getting 14 hour 30 minutes. So 14 means it is going to the PM side, and after 13 and 12 only it is PM started. So 14 hours came, that means it is a PM side has come. So we will write it is 2:30 PM. So in that way we have to solve the 3 part. Then coming to the 4th part, how many minutes have passed from the A to B. So here you can see 2 clocks are given, 1 clock A, 1 clock B. So 1 clock A, what is the time given that you see? So here I have written and solved also. So just you see this and try to understand. Clock A given 8:40 hours and clock B is given 9:15 hours. So that one, how much time gone, that one by the subtraction only we can get it. So after subtracting I got it this 35 minutes. You know the subtraction from the 9, 1 hour I have taken to the minute columns as a 60, and total has become 75 minutes. So then 75, 40 minus 35 has come, or here 9 has become 8. So 8 will go to 0. So that is the 35 minutes. The same way the others also I have completed. Just you have a look, and 3 number I have done. Then we can see the next E bit, time duration, how much. So we have to subtract only. The subtraction rule I told you. So this is the E bit and this is the F bit. Number of days they were asking. So number of days, April. Here the question, we can see the question here given how many days are there in 8th April to 5th June. So April 8 onwards, how many days are left? 23 days. And my month total 31 days, and June month 5th, so 5 days. So total we will plus it. So plus sign I have forgot to give. So plus, so 59 days. Then coming to the G, in September 4 days. In September it is given question, you see what date is 18 days after 26th September. So September 4 days we more need. After 4 days only it will go to the October months. So October months more 14 days, so that means 14 October. Okay, so this is the your exercise. So try to, and for the next one you need to know little bit definitions. Definitions not, these are the rules I have highlighted. You will just write in your copy first. This all the highlight part. See what the highlights are given. That one you will write in your copy. Then only we will do the next exercise. Okay. Thank you so much.